know your strengths and your weaknesses, and for your weaknesses, have solutions to be better. The whole point of this leadership is growth. So that way, whatever organization you're in, it can grow as well.
My advice for anyone going into leadership for the first time is don't take it too seriously. Like, you're still a club member. Have fun with it. Don't be afraid to roll in late if you have to. Just make sure you're prepared.
Well, running a club is a lot of work, but you have to remember that you have an entire team with you. You have multiple people that you rely on, and just make sure that you have a flexible schedule, that you have a week in advance to do anything.
Believe in yourself. I, 2 years ago, went into a leadership position for the first time myself, and I didn't really believe in myself, and that's where I faltered. Believe in yourself, believe that you can be a leader, and believe that you can be just as good as any other leader on campus or any other leader that you've seen on TV. You can be like them.
Surround yourself with team members that know what they're doing to make the job a little easier all around.
Some advice that I have for those thinking of going into just leadership in general is to don't be afraid to delegate stuff. Get people involved into any planning that you have going for events or even just general meetings. And be open to advice and considerations for how things can change for people in your club. It's their club too.
I think my advice to give to people who want to take a leadership position for the first time is definitely time management. Even though school always comes first, the leader position will always be there.
Leaders aren't born, they're made. You make yourself into a leader.